My people, e don red o. They say that the Fůlani wetin they do for Yoruba land now is wetin they call uncountable things. As e dey stand right now, they say Fůlani don go carry one Yoruba man. They demand for 100 million. He said that if the man no give the money, say him go buy am, say nothing go happen. My people, e don red o. As e stand right now, everywhere don kasala. My people, as that one dey happen, they say the Enugu governor don come outside come talk say they are working in other way to make sure say that Tinubu respect the law and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that the Southeast will be at peace again. As it stand right now, they say if you see wetin Soludo boys they do for inside Anambra, nobody people now come dey beg go say Soludo make e carry them go back where they from come o. That one no end for there. They say that the US now, one of the US ambassador wey dey Nigeria don come outside come dey tell us say that thing wey those people wey talk for US say na Boko Haram, na US Obama and Joe Biden dey sponsor them. E don come outside come tell us say na lie o. Oh, no be small thing. We go bring the videos one after the other make you watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
So as I was saying, can you hear me?
I can hear.
So as I was saying, so by the time when the network was not going on Sunday, even I wanted to go on Sunday, I just told my dad, the only place I shouldn't go. I canceled the flight ticket to Monday for 6:15. But then join GTB and everything started while like no network. So and my meeting is 10 o'clock at Abuja Chambers of Commerce. So even the DG called me that they're expecting me. So I just had to left too. By the time we get to between Ondo and Kaba, that's when they shoot up. So I'm bleeding.
So they block you on the road. How it happened?
It just happens, sir. They just shoot us. There's a bullet in my body. They're asking for 100 million. I'm telling my friend,
where are we going to get that one?
I've told my friend, I've told my partner, they are running out.
All
right, sir. That's what happened.
Can I talk to the man?
They'll be pleading with him. Yeah, he's here. Just a 6 months more. No, do not shout.
No, I won't shout. Oga, please, what can you do for us, yo? Because I've been calling the number since the day before yesterday. I don't know what is happening. I'm not okay. What?
No, you don't know what happened.
Hey, don't tell me what happened now, but that amount, where are we going to get it? With the economic of Nigeria. You don't get money now, you don't get anything. Please,
if you don't get anything, please. If you don't get anything.
Please try to come down with that amount, please, I beg.
Listen to me.
Huh?
If you not listen to me very well.
Okay.
I not force you people make you go find money. No. I not force you to go find for what you not get. I know fit. But if you not get, I get bullets where I used to shoot them.
Why?
What is there for his body? So that everything will settle.
Please, I beg. What step can you do for us to reduce the ransom?
As the top now, bullets is there for his body.
Huh?
If he that one no reach, may I add another one. May it go be 2. But it may go be 3. Now 2 days for him body. May I add 1.
Don't add anything, please, I beg, for Christ's sake. Please, what can you do for us to reduce the money for us? Maybe we go find 10 million. Please. Please.
Listen to me. To me.
Okay, listen.
Now the last guy I told you people.
100 million.
If you no get, forget about this man. Now let you know. Now for where
human beings now will not even get wetin dey call conscience again for each person wey get blood for him body again. They see wetin they talk. See if they no bring am, make they just forget am o. And mind you, all those things wey they see for that man body wey they see for there, I don't know whether they go gree make this video stay, but if they gree those things wey you see na the one wey they don give the man, na him give am those wound. and they want to collect the money on top. However, people get my share. Okay, I'm going to play the other videos together. May you watch and see things where they happen.
And finally, we also, of course, talked about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. You know that the Southeast has made a collective demand to have Nnamdi Kanu released. And we basically identified with that and request Mr. President, who in his inaugural address promised the people that he's going to engender national healing and is going to serve with compassion. So we've basically informed him that this would serve as a pointer to his administration's extension of hands of fellowship.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Sebona, don't watch the video. Don't be smart, you know, as they talk am. He say as he stand now, they must make sure say Tunumbu release Nnamdi Kanu. Now let me play this video. May you hear wetin this man talk. One of the US ambassador wey dey for Nigeria, wetin talk regarding the information whether they talk say na Joe Biden and Obama and some other top foreigners that they sponsor Boko Haram for inside Nigeria. Just watch.
Let me be clear. There's no friend of Nigeria that has been stronger in its condemnation of the violence of Boko Haram and Boko Haram's contempt for human life than the United States. We have labeled Boko Haram since 2013 a foreign terrorist organization, a designation that was designed to block Boko Haram from carrying out any asset transfers to the United States, allows us to arrest and seize members of Boko Haram, and allows us to cooperate in investigations with the Nigerian government. We, I can assure you, have policies and procedures in place to ensure that USAID funding, any of our assistance funding, whether it comes from USAID, the Department of Defense, the State Department, is not diverted to a terrorist group like Boko Haram. There's absolutely no evidence that I have seen that has occurred. And certainly if we ever had evidence presented to us that a program funding was being diverted to Boko Haram, we would immediately investigate along with our Nigerian partners. And so I just want to be clear that when it comes to Boko Haram, the United States stands with Nigeria in wanting to rid this country of the scourge that organization represents.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Shebona don't hear them as they talk am. You know, don't say nah. As we dey wait for the Nigerian government to make comment about this thing. Nah, they don't tell us say nah, no be true as it happen. But how would they get the information according to the video we released this morning? Say the people where they sponsor Boko, the men of Gapata them where they for Nigeria, they don't bring out their name. And national TV, channel TV, other one, they don't want to show us those people. We will know them, or they don't want to go catch them. We will know them. But the international community don't put restriction upon their head. Now, waiting they happen right now. Information now be the key. If you not get information, you do yourself. Now, let me play you the video. May you see what Soludo boys they do for inside Anambra State. Just watch.
They control your phone. They control your phone.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, I beg may you share and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.